Sir, x is equals to 3, y is x is equals to 3, y is equals to 1, sir.
I have substituted in that.
Yes, sir.
Correct.
Yes, sir.
X is equal to 3, y is equal to
Y is equals to 1.
2 3 is 6, 1. Okay. Okay, ma, correct. Exactly. Very good, ma. Right. Sir will continue.
Okay, sir.
Sir,
Ask ma.
సార్ ఇప్పుడు ఇక్కడ ఎల్సిఎం ది తీసుకున్నాం కదా సార్ ఈక్వేషన్ 1 into 2 అనేసి అది ఒక్కసారి చెప్తారా సార్?
ఇప్పుడే చేంజ్. ఇప్పుడే చేంజ్. ఓకే మా, ఆస్క్.
సార్ ఈక్వేషన్ ఇంటూ ఎల్సిఎం చేసుకున్నాం కదా సార్ అది ఒకసారి చెప్పారా సార్?
Equations into LCM. Okay. ఈక్వేషన్ మళ్ళీ ఒకసారి అమ్మా.
ఈక్వేషన్ తోని ఎల్సిఎం చేసినాం కదా సార్, ఆ ఎల్సిఎం అనేది ఎట్లా తీసుకోవడం అన్నది సార్?
ఎల్సిఎం ఎట్లా తీసుకో. ఇప్పుడు ఇక్కడ 2 3 ఉందమ్మా. ఈ 2 3 ఎల్సిఎం ఇక్కడ వేరే డిఫరెంట్ ఉన్నప్పుడు వీటి ఎల్సిఎం తీసుకోవాలి. ఇవి కోప్లైన్స్ అయితే ఎల్సిఎం ఏం అవసరం లేదు, ఇట్లా ఆల్టర్నేట్ గా మల్టిప్లై చేస్తే సరిపోతుంది. కానీ ఇక్కడ 4 6 ఉన్నది అనుకోండి, అప్పుడు 4 6 ఎల్సిఎం చేయాలి. 4 6 ఎల్సిఎం చేస్తే 2 2s are 2 3s are 2 2s are 4 4 3s are 12. ఈ 12 కి ఈక్వల్ అయ్యేటట్టు చూసుకోవాలి ఇవి. ఓకేనా?
ఓకే సార్.
ఇవి 12 కి ఈక్వల్ అయ్యేటట్టు చూసుకోవాలి. అంటే 12 ఈక్వల్ అయ్యేటట్టు అంటే ఇక్కడ ఉంటే ఇట్లా 4 4x 6x అని ఇట్లా ఉంటే ఈ x టర్మ్ ను 12x టర్మ్ చూసుకోవాలి. అంటే ఈక్వేషన్ 1 ను 3 తో మల్టిప్లై చేయాలి. ఈక్వేషన్ 1 into 3. ఇది ఈక్వేషన్ 2. ఈక్వేషన్ 2 ను దేనితో మల్టిప్లై చేయాలి? 6 2 తో మల్టిప్లై చేస్తే 12 వస్తుంది. ఓకేనా? ఇట్లా ఎల్సిఎం ఇలా చేయాలి. ఓకే, మళ్ళీ ఏమైనా డౌట్ ఉంటే మళ్ళీ అయినా రేపైనా చెప్తాను. ఓకే, మళ్ళీ ఒకసారి నువ్వు ట్రై చేయి. సార్ విల్ కంటిన్యూ. రైట్ నా?
Okay, good morning, my dear children.
Good morning, sir.
Very good
మార్నింగ్
morning.
సార్.
So welcome to my class. I hope you are all very well. Every Deepika enter. Deepika sir, come on. Deepika, admin.
చేశారు.
2 people enter waiting room.
ఎంటర్ చేయండి.
Admin out. So in previous chapter, you have any doubt, you ask me. So another more problem also there. So second problem you know already. the textbook problem. Take a look, son. No, actually, about 2-3 members. Deep generation. Deep generation. What understand?
Girls ముగ్గురు బాయ్స్ ఒకరు.
8 members.
Girls ముగ్గురు.
Okay, one more problem. Calculate the volume of volume, mass, and number of particles of hydrogen liberated. When 230 grams of sodium react with H's of water at STP condition. So this like questions given means first you prepare for the equation. So calculate the volume. Volume means 2.2 into 2.24 liter mass and the number of particles of hydrogen. Hydrogen calculate here. Liberated hydrogen released hydrogen calculate. When 230 grams of sodium, react with the excess of water. So this is the sodium symbol Na. So that is the Latin name is the natrium. React with the excess of H2O. So sodium metal dissolved in the water, what happened? So sodium react with the excess of water. So to form a sodium hydroxide, and H2 gas. So this slide first you prepare for the equation. Then this equation is balanced or unbalanced, you check second step. So sodium 1 there, reactant side, the product side 1 there, sodium is balanced. Hydrogen 2 there, that side also 3 there. So sodium hydroxide 1 there, hydrogen gas is the 2. So hydrogen gas means it is the diatomic molecule. Hydrogen gas means diatomic molecule, means element. Element. So it is unbalanced equation. So this equation, how to do balanced equation?
2Na plus 2H2O gives 2NaOH plus H2.
Right. So 2Na and 2NaOH. Now oxygen are balanced or now check. So 2 Oxygens are this side. How many there? Only 2 there.
1.
1 there. So that's why this plus 2 keeping. So now 2 to the 4 hydrogens. Now this 2 and this 2, 4 hydrogens. Now the sodium 2 there and this also 2. Now oxygen also 2 there. This 2 means nothing but not only belongs to the, but also oxygen also. Very, very important this line. But this 2 only belongs to the oxygen. So means 2 oxygen atom, 4 hydrogen atom. So in the reactant 4 hydrogen atom, the product side these 2 belongs to the sodium, oxygen and hydrogen. So 2 sodium atom, 2 oxygen atom, 2 hydrogen. 2 hydrogen atom, another 2 hydrogen, 4. Now oxygen only 2 there. In the water molecule 2 oxygen atoms are there. So sodium hydroxide 2 oxygen atoms are there. Now it is the balanced equation. So now after you check the another one, so what is the relation between? So calculate the volume, mass and the number of particles of hydrogen gas. So hydrogen gas is calculated. What is the into when 230 grams of sodium? So the relation between the sodium to hydrogen gas. So now you find out the molecular mass. So molecular mass means first one sodium atom, atomic mass what? So one sodium
23.
atomic mass 23.
23.
So this slide 2
2 into 20.
Yeah. Now find out the
46.
water molecule. So 46 grams. 46. Now find out the water molecule. So then water molecule means H2O. How can you find out this water molecule? One hydrogen. Atomic
18,
mass
sir.
1. Yes. One hydrogen atomic mass 1. 1 no. 1 2 hydrogen. Plus oxygen 16.
16.
So 2 plus 16.
8.
So now one water molecule 18, but it have the 2 water molecules.
2.
18.
36.
36. So this like you take the systematic manner. Then you remember very easily. Next to sodium hydroxide. Sodium hydroxide, nitrogen, sodium 23.
40 grams. 40.
Oxygen 60.
60.
Plus 1. So 40. So 40 means sodium hydroxide 1 no. Compound 40.
80.
So 2 so sodium hydroxide.
80.
40. 80 grams.
80 grams. Now coming to the 2 hydrogen, 1 hydrogen, 1 unit. 1 unit means 1 gram. So now 2 hydrogen means 1 2 gram. 2 gram. So this is the molecular mass. Are you understanding?
Yes, sir.
Right. Now next go to the moles. So this is how many moles are there? Sodium. Sodium how many moles are? Huh? Sodium how many moles? 2. So coefficient number is nothing but 2 into
2 into 6.0 to 2 into 10 to the power of 2 3.
Yes, that is the excellent answer. Yes, that is awesome answer. Excellent. So now this is a 2 mole. So this also 2 mole. Now this also 2 mole. Now this also
1,
same.
sir.
1 only. Yes.
1, sir. 1.
Excellent.
0.
So 2 moles means 46 grams. How many particles are there?
2 into 6.022 into 10 to the power of 23.
23, right. Now these 36 lesser there, but the particle constants 2 into 2 Now coming to the this also 2 into right. Now coming to this one.
1 into 6.
One means nothing but 1 mole
10
is
to the
equal
power of 20.
0. So means so 2 grams and 1 mole equal. 1 mole how many particles are there? 6.022 into 10 to the power of 23 particles. So mole number does not depending upon the weight and mass.
Weight
So
of-
it is a constant number. It is a fixed number. Definite number. Fixed. 1 dozen and 12 is fixed. Mole would a fixed number. Suppose these particles you convert to the liquid state, gaseous state means what is the standard value? 2 into
22.4.
22.4 liters.
22.4
2 into
liters.
28.
Right, excellent. So this is copper 2 into
2 into 22.4.
this one.
2 into 22.4.
Now this one.
22.4
22.
liters.
So one more particle. So how much that volume occupied means 22.4 liters.
4 liters.
So this is the number of particles. So this is the mass. So first question is the mass. So mass means what is the relation between? So sodium. Yes, two.
Hydrogen.
So 46 gram sodium take means how much is that hydrogen gas liberated? So 2 gram.
2 grams.
2 grams.
Suppose when 230 grams sodium react with the excess of water, how much the hydrogen gas liberated? Suppose 46 grams sodium take means 2 gram hydrogen gas liberated. 46 gram sodium react with the excess of water means how much that hydrogen gas liberated means so that is the 2 grams according to the equation. According to the equation, this one. So about 230. The question asking. So 230 grams of sodium react with excess of water. How much that gas is liberated? How much that gas is liberated? Say number. So X.
10,
X
sir.
into-
10 grams. 10 grams.
Grams.
X into-
sir.
Yes, 10 grams.
into 46, 2 into 230. Now X is equal to, so 2 into, so 230 by 46. X is equal to what? 10 grams. So this is the only calculated the mass one. Shall I wrap in about this one? Rashirama and
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
next one is the value. So this is the mass. So in this value means this is the 2 gram. 2 gram means how many moles are there? This you take this place. Don't confuse.
1.
So this is the 1 mole. Right, excellent. 1 mole means 2 grams. 2 gram means value how much occupied? 1 mole 2 gram and the same. So 1 mole already written. Wrote 22.2.
22.4.
4 liters.
So 2 gram and 22.4 liter occupy చేస్తే 10 gram ఎంత occupy చేస్తుంది చెప్పండి. So 2 gram occupying the how much? 22.4. 2 gram and 22.4 ఇస్తే 10 grams ఎక్కువ occupy చేయాలి. Yes or no? So 1 mole
Yes, sir.
means the 2 gram occupy that 22.4 liter. The 10 gram how much?
5
That was
in
X
5 into 22.4.
This is the x under 2. So x into 2. So 22.4 into 10. Now x is equal to what? 22.4
10
by 2.
5 into 22.4
5
liters.
22.4 liters.
That's the
112 liters, sir.
112 liters. చూడండి calculation చేయండి 10 1 2 1 2 5
Yeah, sir, 112 liters.
so 112 liters calculation చేయండి correct గా. Next another one is this is the value. So value వచ్చినప్పుడు మనకి ఏం రావాలని చెప్పినా 22.4 liters. Next one more same that I do. One more and hydrogen this one. Right. One more 2 gram. 2 gram and 1 mole and 6.022. So 2 gram lo how many particles are there? 6.022 10 to the power of 23 particles are there. So 10 gram lo any particles ఉంటాయి question. ఎందుకంటే మనకు 230 గ్రామ్ తీసుకున్నప్పుడు so 10 gram వచ్చింది. So 10 grams లో how many particles are there? So now x. So x into 2. Now 6.022 into 10 to the power of 23 into
10.
10. Now x is equal to 6.022 into 10 to the power of 23 by 2. So 2 1 2 5. So then 5 here. So 5 into 6.022 into 10 to the power of 23 particles అన్నది. What is the units? Particles. ఇక్కడ వాల్యూమ్ కాబట్టి లీటర్స్ అన్నది. నెక్స్ట్ ఇక్కడ మాస్ కాబట్టి గ్రామ్స్ అన్నది. So this is the units is the Avogadro number means this is the particles. Volume take means liter. Mass take means grams. So this is the second in our syllabus textbook question. Write down. Completed. Last question textbook. ఒక్కోసారి క్వశ్చన్ అవుతాడు అది 112 లీటర్స్ అడుగుతాడు ఖాళీ సెట్ లో. ఇది అడగడం దట్స్ క్వశ్చన్ ఆస్క్ 230 grams అనేది అడిగింది చాలా సార్లు. సో ఇది నాట్ ఓన్లీ ఆస్కింగ్ ద దిస్ 3 మెథడ్. సో జస్ట్ ఆస్కింగ్ ద ఎనీ వాల్యూమ్ అండ్ ఆన్ మాస్ ఓన్లీ ఆస్కింగ్. The 3 not asking mass, value, number of particles. Any one not cut చేసి అడుగుతాడు ఏదైనా ఒకటి. Next another question. Write down textbook question. Last one. Calculate the volume and number of molecules of CO2 liberated STP. So 50 grams of calcium carbonate is treated with dilute hydrochloric acid, which contains 7.3 grams of dissolved in HCl gas. So calculate the volume and number of molecules of CO2 liberated at STP. STP means nothing but a standard temperature and pressure. Pressure means 760 mm. So and temperature means 273 Kelvin.
270.
So 273 రాసుకోండి 273 Kelvin. Pressure means 760 mm in the mercury. Right. Now so calcium carbonate react with the HCl. So calcium carbonate react with HCl means what? So what products are forming? So calcium chloride,
Chloride.
and
And
H2O,
water. Carbon dioxide.
carbon dioxide. So now find out the molecular mass. So molecular mass calcium carbonate means calcium water. 40 plus carbon water చెప్పాలా మీరు 12. So carbon 12.
Fuel.
So 63 ja. Total is how much that one? So this is the 100 gram. So this is the balanced equation and not balanced. This is unbalanced. So Cl to 2 then this plus P2. Now 2 chlorine atom, 2 hydrogen atom. Oxygen how many there? 1 plus then carbon dioxide 2. Total 3. 3 there. Carbon how many there? 1. 1. Right. Right. Coming to the HCl. So HCl molecular mass. So 1 hydrogen, 1. So chlorine very important 35.5. Chlorine 35.5. So total water. So 36.25.
0.5.
Now 2 36.5. So total how much that one? 2 into 36.5. 73. Next book near to చెప్పండి. So next calcium chloride. So calcium water, calcium 40. Chlorine already you know. So 35.5 plus 2 ja. Why 2 means 2 chlorine atoms are there.
110 grams total.
Excellent. So 110. So process is very important. Now water molecule. So
18.
18 2 ja. 18 2 ja plus 16. Only 18 only.
1 2s are plus
1 2 ja plus 16, right? Excellent. So 1 2 ja plus 16. Yeah. Now carbon dioxide. So 12 plus
12.
16 2 ja. So 44. So this is a molecular mass. Yes or no?
Yes.
Huh? So మనం find out చేసుకోవాలి. Now this is the 1 mole already know. This is the 2 mole. This is the what? How many mole?
1 mole, sir.
Also
1 mole.
Also
1.
Right. So question asking the what is the question asking? So calculate the volume and number of molecules. Molecules means nothing but the particles.
6.
Of CO2. CO2 again question. CO2 question again. CO2. CO2 question again. Liberated at STP. 50 gram of calcium carbonate is treated with dilute hydrochloric acid, which contains 7.3 grams of dissolved in HCl gas. So hydrogen chloric acid to CO2 question. So hydrogen chloric acid, what is the 73? So 73 grams means how much that carbon dioxide liberated?
44.
44 grams. Suppose 7.3 grams, 7.3 grams, the hydrochloric acid, it can dissolve in the 50 grams of calcium carbonate. How much that carbon dioxide liberated? Extend problem. This is the mass. So 73 already in the question only have. So that is the molecular mass. So 73 grams hydrochloric acid, calcium carbonate reactor means how much that carbon dioxide? 44. 73 is 44. 7.3 grams అయితే ఎంత?
4.4 grams.
4, sir.
4.4 gram. Correct only. Right. Excellent answer. So 4.4 gram. So how can you say x? X into 73.
73.
Now 7.3 into 44. Now x is equal to
7.3 into 44 by 73.
so now 7.3 under 10. So 73, 70. So now 44 by 10. 10 means 4.2. Hold on, excellent. That's right. Next, another, this is the mass. Now you calculate the value. Value means you take the carbon dioxide, this place. So how many moles are there? One mole.
1
Right.
mole.
1 mole means what is the value? 22.4. So total carbon dioxide weight is 44 grams. And that by just 44 grams.
22.4 liters.
Right, very good. 22.4 liters. So now 4.4 grams in the chain. So 44 grams hai the, so 22.4 liters, then 4.4 grams how much agba. This is the x. So now x into
2.24 liters.
excellent answer. So 22.4 into so 4.4. Now x is equal to what? So 22.4 into 4.4 by 44.
44.
44 means this is a 1
10,
point, this is a, so total 100. So 44 cancel. So 224 by 100. 100 means 2.224 liters. This one. Okay, are you understanding?
Yes, sir.
So that is the value. So next is the number of particles. So number of particles. So 1 mole. Same. This is the 1 mole only. So 1 mole into 44. So how many particles are there? 6.022 into
6.022 into 10 to the power of 20.
23. So now 44.4 grams. 4.4 grams, how many particles are there? So this is the x. Now x into 44. So 6.022 into 10 to the power of 23 into
4.4 grams.
4. Now x is equal to what? So 6.022 into 10 to the power of 23 into 4 by
44.
44. So 4.4, 44 and so 10 is. Now what again? So x is equal to so 6.022
6.022 into 10 to the power of 22.
23.
So 10 to the power of 10 means this is the 0.1. So now 6.022 into 10 to the power of 22.
22.
So that is the, what is the units this one?
Number
This one is the particles. This one is the particles. So very, very important. Okay, completed. Right, last
Yes,
one.
sir.
Write down one question. Calculate the mass and volume of mass and volume of oxygen required at STP. Required at STP to convert to 2.4 kilogram of 2.4 kilogram of graphite into carbon dioxide. 2.4 kilogram of graphite into carbon dioxide. Already you know graphite chemical formula vatum. Chitra meeku graphite ante enti carbon.
C.
Completed. So first of all, you prepare for the equation. So graphite. So then graphite means solid. So it reacts with the oxygen, required
C
oxygen.
plus O2 gives
Then
CO2.
CO2. So question what asking? Once again you read. Calculate the mass and volume only asking, not asking the particles. Calculate the mass and volume of oxygen required. So question asking the oxygen only, not asking the carbon dioxide. So you assuming every time don't go to the carbon dioxide and products. Sometimes middle also required and what oxygen again, not liberated. So what is the relation between? So carbon to oxygen. So question it is relation between the carbon to oxygen. So now this is the balanced equation already. So carbon means what is the 12 gram? So 12 gram means what is the oxygen? 16 jam. 30?
32.
2.
So 12 gram to 32 aithe, so 2.4 kilogram graphite take means how much oxygen will be required. So 2.4 kilogram means first kilogram you convert to the grams. So kilogram you convert to the grams means what? So 1 kilogram what? 1 kilogram
1000 grams.
so 2.4 kilogram how many? So means 2.4 into 1000 means so this also చెప్పండి ఎంత అవుతుంది 2.4 into
2400, sir.
2400. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Right. Now this 2400 grams. So this is the kilogram is converted to the grams. So this is the x. Now x into
400 grams.
now x into 12. So 32 into 2400. Now x is equal to what? So 32 into
2400 by 12.
2400 by 12.
12.
So 12 ones are 12.
12 ones are 200, sir.
100, sir.
200.
So minus so calculate yada sir. This is
6400, sir.
6400, sir.
excellent. So 6400 grams. So this is the mass. Next another one is the only calculate the value. Value means this place. So this is how many moles? Only 1 mole.
1 mole.
So 1 mole means 32 grams. So 32 grams. So how much occupying?
22.4 liters.
0.4 liters.
22.4 liters. 22.4 liters. So 32 grams, 22.4 liters makes. So now 60. So 6400 grams. So how much? This is the x. Now x, so 32 and 22.4 into 6400. Now x is equal to, so 22.